Hi there again, it's Sarah Friesen here. Today I am going to organize and clean the freezer part of our fridge. This has been needed to be done for a long time. I actually wanted to do it before Christmas, but things kept coming up. Life keeps happening apparently, which is fine. It's just sometimes a little bit frustrating. So I just have to readjust and try to be flexible. So anyways, I am glad today is the day to get this job done. So let's see what we got. As you can see, there's not much organization going on here. Wow, this is insane. I can't believe how much fits in here, but I guess it is a pretty deep drawer. Now to decide what to keep, what to put into the freezer in the garage, and what I can organize here. My plan is to keep the vegetables, fruit, herbs, ice, sauces, stuff like that in this freezer here. But I do want to move all the meat out into the garage freezer just because there's too much in here, and then when I'm cooking and I'm quickly looking for something, I can't find it, and that is frustrating. So I think it will be so much better for my mind. It will be clearer. I will be able to see everything, and when I need something, I know exactly where I have it. So time to clean. Oh, look at that. This comes out. I did not know that. No, just tricking me. Now I broke it. I'll just leave it. So if you would ask me, cleaning is the easy part, in my opinion. The organization part, I am not that great with. I don't really know what I'm doing. I guess categorizing is probably one thing that will help me with that. I did buy some clear bins a while ago, and as you probably saw when I was taking stuff out of the fridge, I had 2 of them in there, and I found another one, so now I'm going to use this as well. Let's see, hopefully we can get this freezer part of the fridge organized. So the biggest bags are going to be first. I'm going to put them in the bottom drawers, the ones that are deeper. That's strawberries and other berries here. As you can tell, this container is way too small for all my vegetables. So I'm going to use this guy. Just cleaning it now. That is much better. All the vegetables are in here, frozen vegetables. All right, as you can see, I have bins in here now, 3 bins. This one has fruits, bananas, avocado for smoothies. This one has almond, pumpkin puree, some baking goods, and then way back here we have parsley and other herbs, and then we have some jam, frozen jam, and cubes, and some goodies, ice trays, sauces, more yeast, more sauces back there. And then down here I have the frozen fruits. Need to get into drinking smoothies again. And then vegetables. Just put our pepperoni slices here for now. Some freezies. And then we have pierogies. And these are leftovers, frozen leftovers, and cookie dough, frozen cookie dough. That was a big job trying to organize. I find that it's not very easy to organize in the drawer freezer part like this, but we make do. I added 2 extra bins now, so it's a little bit more organized and it's clean, so that's always a bonus for me. The feeling of having a place or a part of our home organized and cleaned is always great, and that I think is what drives me to do the next one. So I can already think of a couple other drawers and closets that I need to organize, including in our bedroom. I like to organize our linen closet quarterly, and also the storage room that we have down in the basement. I like to do that one quarterly as well. I have a whole checklist of when to clean what and organize, so I like to go according to that. As I said before, this was quite a bit behind schedule. It was supposed to happen before Christmas, but it didn't work out that way. But anyways, now it's done and on to the next thing. So yeah, hope that it was helpful for you to watch this, and then I will see you again next time.